What a road! In CarPlay, there we go, and we are leaving this place. Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So the plan for today, I actually really don't know. I am in Cotabato right now, and I want to see an underground river and a waterfall, and wow, my brain is not working. So it will take us 1.5 hours and 70 kilometers to reach that destination, and then let's see what happens next. Hello, let's go. We are back on the road where tricycles occupy all 4 lanes. Look at this mountain range. Wow, look at that. The rice is ready to harvest. Is it mango? So many mango trees? Did you escape? Oh yeah, these are mango trees. Look how many they have here. They have a mango forest. Wow, what a road. That's crazy. So I arrived there. It's actually super funny for me. If people see me, they ask if I'm a vlogger. I say yes. They take a picture, and most of the time they're not even asking for my channel or something like that. And then they go. And then they post a picture with met a vlogger from Australia. If I don't say I'm a vlogger, they still want the picture. Welcome to tourism site. What is that? Room 400 meters. Oh, look. Hello. Let's go here. It's so windy and cold today. We're just driving between these green hills. Nice. Man, was it there? Probably. Coffee, view, and rooms. Oh yeah, I think it's up there. Looks like it's under construction, or they're building another building. Let's see. Do I want to go up here? Maybe I should walk first. Hello.
Hi.
Is this one up here?
Yes, I'm up.
It's like, can I drive with a bike?
No.
Parking here? Yeah, I don't think it will be possible here to drive with a motorcycle. Let's go again. I am still surprised about my stupidity to park downhill. So I always have struggles. Oh, that was an accident. I didn't want to honk, but they thought I'm greeting. Wow! Isn't that amazing? Nice. Wow. Wow. Even if I cannot find the underground river now, this road was just worth it. Wow, look at this amazing landscape. Wow, I'm so impressed. It's so spectacular. Wow. Wow. There we go. Slippery road and mud. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ay, 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 ay. Here it is. Hello. Fetam Klego? It's this road?
Underground river with 7 falls.
Yeah. Here? Can I go with motorcycle or walking? Yeah? Salamat. Parking? Opa! Helmet? Okay.
7 falls.
Yeah, and underground river. Oh.
Ano ma'am, maximum underground 25 minutes.
Okay, and waterfalls?
Underground to 7 falls, 55.
55?
25 din. Bali,
1 hour, more or less.
siyempre mga picture-picture.
Oh.
Bali 1 hour.
Oh. And back, 1 hour.
30 minutes.
30 minutes back?
30 minutes kasi pababa na.
Okay.
Ako yung tour guide, local guide.
You're my tour guide?
Oo.
Okay. All right, I found it. I found my tour guide. And now we will hike 1 hour. 1 hour to the underground river, 1 hour to... No, half an hour to the underground river, half an hour to the 7 falls. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi, Nick.
He's Nick. Let's go. All right. Welcome to 7 Falls. Bye. Wow, that was a great experience. So actually I wanted to go to another viewpoint, but I'm running out of storage. I'm running out of storage on my DJI action camera, on my phone, everywhere. So I have to fix that. That's why we're going to the next hotel, sleep there a night, and then we will do the rest tomorrow. We're driving now 20 minutes to the next barangay, and I saw there's one hotel there, and I will ask how much it is to stay there. And yeah, wow, what a great experience. Actually, the tour costs 500 pesos. The entrance in total is 110 and 25 for the parking. Which is totally okay. Like, Nick was carrying me through the water. He did like the most amazing pictures and videos. So it's totally fine. It's fine. What a great day. Amazing views everywhere. Amazing roads. Wow. There are like 5,000 mosquitoes in my eye. I don't see anything. Okay, driving with visor now. Okay lang. What a road, my goodness. What a road! Can you make space for me, please? Come on, come on. Thank you. Please don't run in my motorcycle. My cuties.